ONVIF Profile T and HTTPS enhancements in exacqVision 26.0. Support has been added to exacqVision to conform with the updated guidelines for ONVIF Profile T and HTTPS protocols, bringing stronger security, broader compatibility, and future-ready video surveillance capabilities. This enhancement certifies exacqVision client for ONVIF Profile T, ensuring comprehensive compatibility with a wide range of ONVIF-compliant cameras. This release also includes support for secure video streaming via HTTPS, enhancing data protection, and aligns exacqVision with industry standards for advanced IP video systems. When adding a camera to exacqVision client, users can select either HTTP, HTTPS required, or HTTPS required with certificate validation from the protocol drop-down. The protocol drop-down will be set to HTTPS required by default when adding a camera via CSV, manually, or using Discovery. Please note, if you already have ONVIF cameras that are set to HTTP, upgrading to the new software will not change their settings to HTTPS automatically, and those cameras can be manually changed if and when needed. In addition to the ONVIF HTTPS enhancements, cameras that are added by ONVIF now have additional configurable settings, including network and absolute PTZ controls. Please note that the hostname IP address will need to be manually edited for these settings to be displayed. When the hostname/IP address is edited to display network settings, the Advanced tab will allow users to set the network interface and default gateway settings. Similarly, when the hostname/IP address is edited to display PTZ settings, the Advanced tab will allow users to set the desired pan tilt and zoom settings. Upgrade to exacqVision 26.0 today and take advantage of these powerful new features. For more tutorials and support, visit our support portal.